Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a date night get ready with me. I am going out to dinner with my husband, so I thought why not film today's makeup look. I really had fun playing with blue eyeliner and creating this fun and super easy makeup look for a date night. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I created this makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I used today to create this fun look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, so we're gonna get started with skin prep. I'm going in with the Shiseido Essential Energy Hydrating Cream. I recently got this cream from Shoppers. I got it as like a sample because I did a pretty big drugstore makeup order recently, and honestly I've really been liking this cream. It's super moisturizing and hydrating on the face. It feels really nice. Next up, I'm going in with the Lottie London Bubble Tea Primer. I am all out of my favorite primer at the moment, which is the Milk Hydro Grip. So I'm just making do with the other primers I have, but I absolutely love that primer. I feel like it really works on blurring out my pores. It's definitely one of the best primers I have. I did recently place a Sephora order, so hopefully I'll be getting my favorite primer back soon in the collection and I can start using it again. So next up, I'm just going to get my lips ready with some lip oil. This is the Lottie London Glossed Smile Brightener Clear Lip Gloss Oil. And just going in with the Skin Proud Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. Love this stuff under the eyes, so good. Going in with my Charlotte Tilbury color corrector. This is in the shade medium 2, and I'm just going to color correct my face. I'm just going in where I have any darkness, hyperpigmentation, or any acne scarring on the face. Next up, I want to add foundation to the face, and we'll be going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is definitely one of my favorites from the drugstore. It feels so good on the face. It's not too heavy. It gives great coverage. Definitely a fan of this one. All right, foundation is all done. Next up, I want to add some contour to the face, and I'll be going in with the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Light. I like to just take this product on an angled brush and just stipple that onto the face. Just putting some on my nose as well, and we'll basically carve out the nose with concealer later. So this is called like a reverse nose contour, where you go in with the contour shade first and then you carve out your nose with your concealer. So just gonna add the shadow for now and then we'll define it later. Next, I wanna go in with blush, and I wanna go in with one of my favorite liquid blushes from the drugstore at the moment, and that is the Milani liquid blush. This is called the Cheek Kiss, and I have the shade Rose Romance. Just gonna stipple the color onto the cheek, and then I'll use the back of my beauty sponge to just blend that in. This blush, in my opinion, blends really, really well, and it doesn't dry super quickly, so you have a lot of time to really blend it into the skin and work with it on the face. I'm gonna go in with a little bit on the chin. Sorry if the lighting changed. My ring light decided to act up. Hopefully the lighting looks relatively the same as it was so far, but I'm just going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer on my lids, and then I'm just gonna set them in place with my Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is me just prepping my lids. I want to go in with a blue eyeliner, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I have here the REALHER metallic eyeliner, and it's in like this beautiful blue shade. Like, let me just swatch it for you guys. I've used this in a few tutorials already, but I've never really used it on its own, so I think I want to do that. I'm just gonna quickly line my lids with this. Taking a flat brush with a little bit of concealer, I'm going to use that to just softly create a wing. Another way of doing it is taking a flat edge and then using concealer to clean it up and sharpen it out. I'm absolutely loving how the blue eyeliner is looking. I feel like it's so fun, and I haven't done such a dramatic wing in a while, so I kind of am living for this look. So next up, I just want to go in with some concealer just to clean up the face and brighten it. So I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to brighten the face. And just using the concealer to carve out the nose and create a nice reverse nose contour. And setting the face with the Huda Beauty setting powder. It's been like 30 seconds. I'm gonna wipe away the setting powder because it's all done setting the face. I'm just going to fill in my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow. This stuff is so quick and easy for brows, you guys. I absolutely love it. It literally takes 30 seconds to get your brows on. I'm gonna quickly go off camera and put on some mascara. And for mascara, I'll be going in with the iconic London Enrich and Elevate Mascara. Alright, eyes are officially done and I'm definitely in love. I love the statement blue liner. It's definitely a vibe. So next up, I want to highlight the face, and I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighter, and I have the shade Blossom Glow here. So we're just going to use this to highlight the face. Such a beautiful highlighter, you guys. I love it. I just took off the gloss on my lips because we're ready to do the lips, so I'm just highlighting the Cupid's bow and of course the nose. I'm actually gonna go in with this highlighter in my inner corners as well, just to add a nice pop. For lip liner, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Chestnut. I am just gonna slightly fill the lips in with the lip liner. For lips, I want to go in with a lip oil. I have here the Merit Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Pink Beat. Alright, and the very last thing I have to do is set my face in place, and I'm going in with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the Rose Water and Green Tea one. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's date night get ready with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, I'm super happy with how the look turned out. I love a statement wing liner, you guys, and make it blue, make it fun, so I'm definitely a fan. All of the products that I used on my face today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you're subscribed, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.